7 days. That's pretty good for 7 days for bluegrass. It's been 2 weeks now since this grass was planted. That's maybe 2 inches tall in some areas. It's the same height as the surrounding grass. That stuff works really good. Almost looks completely blended with the other grass. Gotta say, I'm really impressed. After 2 weeks, this area I had so much trouble with is totally filled in now. The little black beads that I mentioned in my previous video, like you see here, isn't actually unicorn magic like I had previously mentioned. However, it does still work like magic by holding all the moisture. It's actually organic compost that's derived from yard waste, so it's completely organic and it's really good at holding in moisture. You can see how thick this stuff is, so you know, it does its job. I'm really impressed. It helps with germination very quickly. That's all I've got for today, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave a comment below if you got any questions about this or Turfmend or anything. Be sure to check out their website if you want to order it yourself.